A massive fish, guys. Look at. I'm gonna have to ski down here because it's massive. It's about 4 or 5 kilos.
Really?
Ja, ek beloof jou, kyk hoe gaan hy downstroom. Jy gaan my moet kom help.
Ek kan jullie gaan helpen. Wat moet ek doen?
It's massive.
It's gotta be you on your own here.
That's massive.
You on your own here.
I'm gonna have to go down, but take
So don't lose your rod now.
Yeah, it's massive fish. It's a massive fish. I'm just gonna take it gentle, but it's massive. It's massive. It's massive. Massive fish. It's a massive fish. Look how it's going downstream. We're gonna have to come down here and gaan 'n whiskey bottle moet bring.
Hoekom?
Because I gaan baie hierso heel aan staan. It's a massive fish.
Skull, don't break your rod, eh?
Now come take this doibie off my rod.
But I don't know how.
Yeah, just pull it off.
Wait, I'll take it off. But it's massive fish.
Okay, Skull, just don't.
Yeah.
Relax. Just relax.
You press it down here and you pull
Okay,
it out.
just give it to me.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, relax.
Douglas and he's going downstream, so I'm like in a lot of trouble. Yes, it's massive. I can see it here in the side. Come help us, guys.
Well, I can't. Then I must step down on my arm.
No, babes must come help me.
Dat kan je voordoen.
Right, there's fire. There's fire. You seen it?
I see it. Oh, shame.
Ek sê vir jou, ons braai vis vanaand.
Oh, my fucking toch. Actually, I fell. Okay, but never mind.
Don't worry, I'm just playing it. I'm just taking it slow with the fish, but it is a big fish. And at least you've seen it. Look at it run.
Wow, just so. I can see it. Have you got a torch? No, I didn't bring a torch.
See it.
Big one.
Yeah, it's big. Make no mistake, David. It's right here by us. We can see it. Just playing it around. That's right. Now, who says I can't catch fish?
Oh, shame. You're going to release it again?
Yeah. What a vakitsie vir die huis.
My flip. Can't you?
No, Douglas, we're good. I'm just going to try and land him. I don't have a net.
Yeah, we haven't got.
I'm just going to make it tight so that I can just do it slowly because he keeps on coming and running.
Why don't I come and hold the stock and you go in the water?
No, I'm good. At least it's a few kilos, this fish. Definitely. If you can stand up here, you can see how big it is.
I can see.
Oh, he broke off.
You lie.
He broke off my line. You know what he did?
Hmm?
Hy het die hoek totaal stukkend gebyt. Totaal.
Hij was te big.
Die hoek en alles is weg. Massive fish.
Oh my God. Okay, try again. Try again.
I know I've caught you. I know.
I know
as
we
good
all
as caught.